Welcome back everybody. Today in this video I'll show you how to scan any QR code using your mobile device. Now this feature should be integrated in the camera app on every device right now, especially the newer devices. So let's go ahead and try it right now. We open the camera app and then we go ahead and try to scan a QR code as seen in the video. You can see here an icon pops up on the bottom right corner of the camera. When we tap it, it takes us to the link. Now I can copy it or just go and tap on go to website. Now if you don't have this feature, you can always use a third-party app to scan the QR code. I would recommend you download the Google Lens. It is by far the best one on the market right now. And after having it installed, it should look something like this when you try to scan a QR code. And you can see here when you scan it, the link pops up right on top of the QR code. And you got it, guys. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and comment down below. Also subscribe to this channel for future solutions to such tech problems. Thanks for watching.